Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the speed lever on your KitchenAid mixer. Before we begin, ensure you have a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust or debris removal. Step 1. Unplug your KitchenAid mixer. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's disconnected from any power source to prevent accidents. Step 2. Remove the base cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the bottom of the mixer. There are usually 3 screws that hold the base cover in place. Carefully unscrew them and set them aside in a safe location. Step 3. Clean the interior. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or residue inside the mixer. Use the clean cloth to wipe down the inner components, ensuring a clean working environment. This step is often overlooked but can greatly improve the performance of your mixer. Step 4. Locate the speed lever. You'll find the speed lever connected to the mechanism inside the mixer. If it's broken or not functioning properly, it will need to be replaced. Step 5. Remove the old speed lever. Gently pull the lever away from its housing. If it's stuck, you may need to use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Step 6. Install the new speed lever. Position the new lever into the same spot where the old one was located. Push it firmly until it clicks into place, ensuring it is secured and aligned properly. Step 7. Reattach the base cover. Align the base cover back onto the mixer and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely but avoid over-tightening, which could cause damage. Step 8. Test the mixer. Plug the mixer back in and turn it on. Check the new speed lever to ensure it operates smoothly across all settings. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation or consider seeking professional help. If you don't have the tools or time, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel. Step 9. Final cleaning. After confirming everything works well, give the exterior of your mixer a final wipe down with a clean cloth. This will keep it looking great on your countertop. That's it. You have successfully replaced the speed lever on your KitchenAid mixer. If you prefer professional assistance, we can provide a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs involved. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.